the one and only lady. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My own blogger people, today's topic is about Etinosa. Etionsa. Etionsa, number one, my fair congratulate you. Congratulations. She don't finally born Pekin. She born beautiful baby girl. Itoa in the building. Say the name of the baby now Itoa. Congratulations. I really happy for you. You see this life in balance. Now make this life may we not the laugh person no normal like bonfo no giarwa o but we not the laugh person. You see Etinosa. Today now you don't born Pekin. But we not stay married, we never see engagement safe. You don't born now. After you don't run your mouth, run for social media, they laugh people will be single mother. I remember when Alima born, Alima come post another person, Pekin they talk say she don't born. You can't insult Alima. You say why Alima will go born Pekin, single mother, this that, no marriage. You talk to that one anyhow. Now I can't reply you for comments. So if you see, tell you say, can't call you 3 times. Etinosa, leave me alone. Leave me alone. That's what I tell you that time, to talk to you. After that one, people come to quarrel with you. Say, why you go do that kind of thing? You're not supposed to insult her. You don't know why she born Pekin. That is why this life, even when Ivonesi born that time, and some people begin to laugh, talk, say, why Ivonesi will go born? Why Ivonesi will do this one? We don't see us, man. We don't see this. This our sister Etinosa, he get bad math, not be small one. Her bad math part 2, not day. She get bad math. Who is the person really get bad math? The time when she come out, carry a book, come out, begin to smoke. Say that time I not just talk because I not just want talk that time here. When they begin to run a mouth for this woman, I don't forget Victoria Iyama. When that woman come and talk about what happened to her for her husband, when Suleiman come they talk, say people when they bleach, it not good. Say bleach is not good. People when they bleach, they have to stop bleaching. They cause cancer, they cause so many things, and the truth, bleach is not really good for body, Etinosa, because he want to do advert for bleaching people now, she can say she wants her to the bleach that time. You can't talk to Suleiman anyhow. You can't talk to Suleiman anyhow. Talk to Suleiman as he like. So now later you can still come out together. Other people go talk to Ramadan. You can't come out the same Suleiman no verse. After I don't use Bible. They smoke it, go they put her for Bible that day. He can't go do Suleiman. He can't go beg Suleiman. Say I beg me Suleiman forgive him. But Bible when he use till they put it bow that day. Talk say me Bible. May God forgive him. No. Now only pastors now they fear. So now Victoria Iyama can talk say after he don't come out come beg Suleiman and that one come write say why it be say una always they fear the servant of God, but now they fear God himself. You come out now they beg Suleiman, but you don't beg God, may God forgive you. Now madam come out. Who say make Victoria Iyama talk to him like that? You old cargo. Don't be small thing, you will be single mother. You will husband abandon. He can't talk to that one anyhow. He can't insult him. Don't be small. And this Victoria Iyama, the time when they start to the arts, they never even, I don't say the dog boy Etinosa that time. Etinosa never even dream saying go art film. Etinosa can't talk to him anyhow. Insult him. And then I'm going to tell her, say, thank you. Say, make she dey pray, make she still reach the age when you reach so. Now, madam can't reply. I don't know what you come over Etinosa that period. After you don't go put in yash for public that time, this character just can't start. Now, this Etinosa character starts that time. Now, you can't talk to Victoria Iyama anyhow. You can't insult him. he can't torture am. He can't after that one don't reply like that. He say before he go even grow reach Victoria Yama age. He say Victoria Yama not go live to see her old like that. That one go don't die that time. You can't talk to that one like that. You know? So today now, wetin you take dey laugh people now, na you can do. After people come dey talk say, sir. So you fit born pikin without you never marry. We don't see marriage, we never see engagement. You know, you come for victim like this. After you don't run mad, finish. After you don't laugh people will be single mother, finish. Now you can't come out, say, you can't write, say, Mona not mind you, na mat in get to. Na mat, na she get. She not be like that, so she just only get mat. Mona forgive her for everything what she don't do. I say, yeah, may they forgive you. But when you they do that time, people they feel say, Tinos are marriage for this time, it go be ogbonge one. Now I can't see the comment where Victoria am married, say, congratulations, oh, auntie old cargo. She be you don't born now. Without, we never know where the man dey. We don't even look for the man. Whether you just carry belle, nobody know. Because we never know where the man dey now. She be you just join the gang of a single mother now. You are welcome. And she come now, that time she come tell her that one, say, may they forgive her and a month. Now she do. Na month you dey. You see, huh? So that is why this life, I happy for her, say she born with her. Mona not mind me say they talk all those things. But I just want to remember her, say, not laugh people again, Etinosa. Your own now, it don't happen now. You don't be single mother now. Without, we not see marriage. Una no say, what una not fit do? What una not go fit do? Now una go they take the laugh on another person. Today now, you now don't sit on to the single mother, the gang of single mother. You are welcome to the gang of single mother. You see how it be now? Maybe you don't be mother now. You don't say as it be now. When you run your mouth, you talk anyhow once at the time. But the way catch it no sir one period then. Part 2 not there. Part 2 not there. Waiting no sir. The highest now you do for social media. The highest. The highest. Today now, you don't be mother now. Congratulations, my darling. Happy for you. Congratulations. So my people more I make congratulated. You know, sir, mona not beat out. Now, no small pikin and I dey worry her. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Bye, everybody. Bye.